Question number 1. X is greater than 0, but we required x square minus 3x minus 9 are squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we are getting x square equal to 306 plus x r. Because in place of this one, we written again x value square root of 306 plus square root of 306 plus so on. This one we are consider how much? X r. Then x square equal to 306 plus x. This one we written x square minus x equal to how much? 306 r. What is the 18 square? 324. Compared to 324, 306 how much value or less? 18 lesser, means x equal to 18. 18 square minus 18 how much? 306 or x square minus x means written x into x minus 1 equal to how much value? 306. Okay, what is the question here? X square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. What is the x square? 324. 3x 54 minus 9. What is the answer? 261. The second question. The average of 40 numbers is how much? 49. The average of first 5 these numbers is how much? 46. And that of last 6 numbers is 54. The 6th number is 4 more than the 7th number, and 7th number is 8 less than the 8th number. What is the average of 6th and 8th number? First 14 numbers average 49. What is the sum value? 49 into 14. What is the 10 times of 49? 490. 4 times double, again double, 196. 490 plus 196. 490 plus 196. 490 plus 196. 686. 686. In that, first 5 numbers average is 46. Sum is how much? 230. Last 6 numbers average 54. Sum is 54 into 6. Nothing but 324. Both are adding how much? 554. Out of 686 we are subtracting 584. What is the remaining? 1, 3, 2. That is sum of the remaining numbers. 6th number 4 more than the 7th. 7th is 8 less than the 8th number. Suppose 8th number we are consider x. 7th number x minus 8. Next 6th number 4 more than the 7th one means x minus 4. X minus 8 plus 4 means x minus 4. What is the sum of these numbers? 3x minus 12 equal to 132. 3x equal to how much? 144. X equal to how much? 48. What is the question here? Average of 6th number and 8th number. 6th number is how much? 48. 6th number 40 or 44? 44. 48 and 44. What is the average? 46. X and x minus 4 average. X minus 2 or not? X minus 2 value 46. Next, third one. In an election between two candidates A and B, A got 60% of the total valid votes and 20% of the registered voters were declared as invalid. If the difference between the valid votes received by A and B candidates is 1280, then find the number of valid votes received by A. First, A got 60% valid votes, but 20% registered voters are invalid. Means valid votes are 80%. In that, A got 60%. What is the 60% of 80? 48. What is the B got? 32%. Out of 80, 60%, 48. What is the remaining? 32. What is the difference between 48 and 32? 16. What is the 16% value? 1280. What is the question here? Then find the number of valid votes received by A. We required how much percent? 48%. How many times we need? 3 times or not? What is the answer? We required 48%. How many times we need? 3 times. 3840. Fourth question. 3 metallic solid cubes whose edges are 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters are melted to form a new solid cube. Find the lateral surface area of new cube so formed. Means 3 smaller cubes converted to which one? One larger cube. Then larger cube volume a cube that is equal to volume of 3 smaller cubes. Three smaller diagrams converted to which one? One larger diagram. Means volume of 3 smaller diagrams equal to volume of a larger diagram. What is the smaller diagram? First one volume 9 cube. What is the 9 cube? 729. What is the 12 cube? 1728. What is the 13 cube? What is the 15 cube? 3375. Then a cube it is equal to 5, 8, 3, 2 or not. 9 cube end with 9. 12 cube end with 8. 15 cube end with 5. 9 plus 8 plus 5. 22 or not. End with 2. Which one cube? Only 18 cube or not? 9, 12, 15 means it must be more than 15 cube or less than 15 cube? More than 15 cube, but nearby 15 or not? But end with 2. 18 are possible or not? Okay. A cube equal to how much? 18 cube. What is the A value? 18. What is the question here? Lateral surface area of a new cube. Lateral surface area means 4 times of A square. 4 into, what is the A square? 324. 4 into 324. 1296. Question number 5. In the following figure, QP is parallel to which one? TU, and TS is parallel to QR. Angle PAT equal to 42 degrees. Find the measure of angle RBUR. And here total A value is how many degrees? 180. In that already 42 is given. What is the remaining? 138. Next AQBT. Quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, what is the opposite angle sum? 180. Already that one 132. This one is how much? 42. If it is 42, this value, this sum will be how much? 180. Already 42 means this one is how much? 138. Or directly parallel lines are. Parallel lines means if it is 138, this value also 138. If it is theta, this one also theta. Question number 6. X bought 15 refrigerators at 19,000 each. Means each one cost price is how much? 19,000. Sold all of them at a total price of 3,42,000. That is total selling price of how many fridges? 15. Divide by 15, we are get the each one selling price. 15 to the how much? 30. What is the remaining? 42. Again 2 times. What is the remaining? 12. Means 120. How many times? 8 times. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Cost price 19,000. Selling price 22,800. 2 zeros cancel. Cost price 190. Selling price 228. What is the profit value? 38 upon 190 multiplied by 100. I think 2 times. An answer 20% profit or loss? Profit. Next question number 7. Anyone need? No? Next question number 8. If a certain sum amounts to 41,496 in how many years? 4 years. At simple interest at the rate of 26.6 by 19% per annum, then what is the compound interest when the same sum is invested at the same rate of interest for how many years? 2 years. First of all, what is the rate of percent are given? 26, 6 by 19%. It is converted to fractional. 1920s 500 by 1900. 500 by 1900. Two zeros cancel. 19 is the principal or amount? Principal. Interest is how many parts? 5 parts. Okay. In simple interest, every year interest is how many parts? 5 parts. How many years are given? 4 years. Per annum interest 5 parts. 4 years interest 20 parts. Interest 20 parts. Principal already 19 parts. Then amount 39 parts. Amount is 39 parts. In place of 39 parts, how much value are given? 41,496. That is amount in simple interest or compound interest? Simple interest. Per annum interest 5 parts, 4 years interest 20 parts, principal already 19 parts. Interest 20 parts means amount is 39 parts. In place of 39 parts, how much value are given? 41,496. Second one, what is the compound interest when the same sum is invested at the same rate of interest for how many years? 2 years. In compound interest, what is the per annum interest? 5 parts. Principal 19 parts. Then we return amount by principal in compound interest 24 by 19. How many years are given? 2 years. Power 2 or power 1? Power 2. What is the 24 square? 576. What is the 19 square? 361. Principal 361 parts. Amount is how much? 576 parts. What is the compound interest? 576 and 361. What is the difference? 205 or 215? 215 means we require 215 parts. Yes or no? 9 and 6 possibility 4 times 9 4 the 36. 5 into 4 end with 0. All the options are end with 0. Okay. 215. 5 how many times here? 5 4 3. Means answer must be multiple of 43. First verify the last option. 12040. 43 2 the how much? 86. What is the remaining? 86 completed. 14 plus 20 34. 344. 344 means almost 8 times. Means it is exactly divisible by 43. No other value is not divisible by 43 because 12010 and 12040 difference is how much? 30. It is not divisible by 43. 12020 no. 12030 no. Then answer fourth one. Next question number 9. The ratio of the total number of employees whose age is greater than 35 years to the total number of employees whose age is less than 30 years. Greater than 35 years means after 35 years. 15 plus 6 21 plus 7 means 28. Next, less than 30 years. Less than 30 years means 12 8 12 plus 8 20. What is the ratio? 7:5. Next question number 10. The sum of the two numbers is how much? 360 and their SCF and LCM are 72 and 432. SCF is how much? 72 means both are must be multiples of which one? 72. Suppose first number I consider 72. What is the 72 multiple? 144. 144. If one of the two numbers lies between which one? 100 to 200. Then what is the difference between those two numbers? 72. What is the common factor of 72 and 144? 72. What is the LCM of 72 and 144? LCM 144. Okay. What is the value are given? 432. Sum of the two numbers must be how much? 360. But here 72 and 144. 360? No. 72 ones are 72, 72 twos are 144, 72 threes are 216. What is the common factor of 144 and 216? 72. 144 plus 216, 360. Two conditions satisfied. Next, one of the number is in between 100 to 200. 144 are possible or 216 are possible? 144. Next, LCM is how much? 432. What is the largest number? 216. 2 times is how much? 432. That is exactly divisible by 144. Yes or no? All the conditions are satisfied. What is the question here? Difference between those two numbers. What is the answer? 72. Sir, what about the general procedure? First one A parts, second one B parts. First number we written 72A, second number 72B. These two sum equal to how much? 360. Then A plus B equal to how much? 5. A parts plus B parts equal to how much? 5. Means one will be 2 parts, another one 3 parts are possible, or 3, 2, 1 and 4, 4 and 1 also possible. Okay, then first one 72 twos are 72 threes are. Second one 72 threes are 73 twos are. Next 72 ones are 72 fours are. 72 4 times, 72 1 time. Last two are not possible because one of the number in between 100 to 200. Then possibility only first two cases are. Okay, what the answer? 72. Next question number 11. A container contains 100 liters of milk. From this container 10 liters of milk was taken out and it is replaced by water. If the process is repeated further 2 times, then how much water is now contained by the container? Actually, how many liters? 100 liters. Every time 10 liters are taken out and it is replaced by water. Means out of 100 liters we are taken every time 10 liters. How much fraction we are taken? 1 by 10. Means out of 10 parts, 1 part are taken. What is the remaining? 9 parts. Means after first operation, remaining quantity is how much? 9 parts out of 10 parts are. Okay, but here how many operations are there? Further 2 more, total 3 operations are. If it is 1 operation we return power 1. If it is 3 operations, power 3. What is the 9 cube? 729. What is the 10 cube? 1000. That is milk quantity in final mixture. Milk quantity in final mixture. What is the actual mixture is how many liters? 100 liters. 10 are taken, again 10 liters of water is added, means there is no change in total quantity of the mixture. Means 729 by 1000 of how many liters? 100 liters. 2 zeros cancel. 729 by 10 means 72.9. That is milk or water? Milk. But here question is water. Then water is out of 100 we are subtracting milk quantity. 100 minus 72.9. What is the remaining? 27.1. Out of 1000 parts, milk is how many parts? 729 parts. Remaining 271 parts water. Then 271 by 1000 of how many liters? 27.1 liter. Every time how much percent are removed? 10%. How many operations? 3 operations. Initial quantity 100%. 10% are removed means remaining 90%. Again 10% are removed means remaining 81. Again 10% are removed means out of 81, 10%, 8.1. What is the remaining? 72.9. If initial mixture 100%, final initial milk is 100%. After 3 operations, milk is how much? 72.9. What is the remaining? 27.1%. Means how much percent of water we are adding? 27.1%. 27.1% of how many liters? 100 liters. Next question number 12. Anyone need కావాలా? సరే, ఎక్స్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, చేద్దాం. 5 1/6 ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఇంటీజర్స్ అన్నాడు. 5 + 7 12 -3 9. నెక్స్ట్ 1/6 2/3 11/12 LCM 12. 6 how many times? 2 times. 3 how many times? 4 times. It is 8 and it is 2 and here 11. 2 plus 8 10 minus 11. It is minus x or plus x? Minus x by 12. Divide by how much? 8 11 by 12. 8 11 by 12 means 12 into 8 plus 11 and 12 8 is 96 plus 11 means 107. Divide by 12. Okay, but numerator we return 12 9s how much? 108. 108. Actually it is written as 9 into minus 1 by 12 into x. 12 9s how much? 108. Minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. Negative 1 by 12 we return 11 by 12. But positive 9 it will become 8. 8 11 by 12. Numerator we return 8 11 by 12 of x. Denominator 8 11 by 12. Both are cancelled. What is the remaining? X. Means this term we are getting how much value? X plus 13 into 9 3 by 8 x. 75 by 8. 75x by 8 into 16 4 the 64 plus 11 75 means 16 by 75. 75 cancel. 8 how many times? 2 times. 2x into 13 26 plus x 27x. This total value we are getting how much? 27x minus 3 3 by 4x 15 by x 15x by 4 into 8 by 3. 3 how many times? 5 times. 4 how many times? 2 times. 5 to the 10x. 27x minus 10x 17x plus x. Total it is 18x. Question number 13. Which of the following successive discounts give the most benefit to the customer? Benefit to the customer. For the first time 20 and 15 are out of 100 20 discount 80. Out of 80 15% discount 12 means 68. 100 80 68. Customer benefit how much? 32. Second one 20% 20% and 25. 100 80 64. What is the 25% of 64? 16. Remaining 48. 52 benefited. Next 20 15 10. Compared to 3. Second one more. Compared to first one, second one are more. Next 30 10 5. 100 70 63 63. In that 5%. 10% 6.3. 5% 3.15. 63 minus 3.15 means it is almost 60, nearby 60 or 160. What is the difference? 40. Obviously which one is more value? Second option or which case is getting more benefit? Second one or? Question number 14. If a train runs at 72 km/h, it will reach destination 1 hour late. If it runs at moving speed of 80 km/h, it will reach destination 1 hour 30 minutes. At what speed train runs to reach the destination on timer? For the first one speed 72, second one speed 80. For the product of these speeds 72 into 80. What is the difference of these speeds? 8 into. What is the first case time? 1 hour late. Second case time 1.5 hour earlier. What is the difference in time? 2.5 hours. Compared to Actual time 1 hour late compared to actual time 1.5 hour early. What is the difference in time? 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means we return 5 by 2 hours. Simplify this one, we are get the distance value. Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. 8 to the how much? 16. How many times? 5 times, sir. 72 5s are 360 into 5. 1800. 1800 meters or kilometers? Kilometers, sir. And what is the question here? At what speed train runs to reach the destination? On time or not? On time. First we need to identify the first case time. What is the first case? 1 hour late or 1 hour early? 1 hour early. Actual time are T hours. Actual time are T hours. Compared to T hours, how many hours are late? 1 hour. Means T plus 1 hour. The T plus 1, it is equal to distance by speed or 1800 by which one? 72. 24 how many? 36 how many times? 2 times. 36 how many times? 5 times. Nothing but 50 times. 50 by 2 means 25 hours. T plus 1 equal to how many hours? 25 hours. Then T equal to 24 hours. Means actual time is how many hours? 24 hours. What is the question here? At what speed train runs to reach the destination? On timer. Means the same 1800 kilometers, it is covered in how many hours? 24 hours, sir. Then we are get the original speed, 6 how many times? Denominator 4 times, numerator 300. 300 by 4, 75. Next question number 15. All the vertices of a rhombus lie on a circle. Find the perimeter of the rhombus if the area of a circle is given how much? 1256 centimeter square. All the vertices of a rhombus lie on a which one? Circle. Means it is considered square or rectangle? Square or? All the vertices of a rhombus lie on a which one? Circle. Means all the 4 sides equal or different? Equal. And it will be equal diagonals or different diagonals? Equal diagonals. Equal diagonals means square or rhombus? Square or? Next, find the perimeter of a rhombus. Means we required perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. And if the area of a circle is given how much? 1256 centimeter square. Area means pi r square. 22 by 7 into r square equal to how much value? 1256. 22 5 is how much? 110. What is the remaining? 156. 156 is exactly divisible by 22. 820 is 160. No. 11 how many times? 2 times. 11 ones 11. What is the remaining? 15. 1 time. What is the remaining? 4. Exactly divisible. What is the pi value? 3.14. Means 3.14 into r square equal to how much? 1256. 314 directly 4 times. Left hand side 2 decimals, it will become right hand side 100. R square equal to 400. R equal to how much? 20. R equal to 20. Side of diagonal value, it is equal to which one? Diagonal of a square, it is equal to which one? Diameter of a circular. 2r or r? 2r. Diameter of a circle, sorry, here outside. Diameter of a circle, it is equal to which one? Diagonal of a square. Then root 2 into a equal to how much? 2r. Root 2 into a. What is the R value? 20. 2R means 40. But we required which one? A. A means we return 20 root 2 or not? A equal to 20 root 2. But we required which one? 4A. What is the answer? 80 root 2. 16. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 18 hours and 22 hours respectively. The pipes are opened simultaneously and it is found that due to leakage in the bottom, it can take 66 minutes more to fill the cistern when the cistern is full. In what time will leak empty it? First of all, A alone and B alone can fill the tank 18 hours and 22 hours. A and B together can fill the tank in how many hours? A and B together means product by sum or product by difference? Product by sum. 18 into 22 by 18 plus 22. How much? 40 or okay. 2 how many times? 9. 2 how many times? 20. Again 2 how many times? 10. 2 how many times? 11 or it is 9 into 11. 99 by 10 or 99 by 10. It is also written as 9 by 10 hours are okay. It is including leakage or without leakage? Without leakage. But including leakage, how much time are extra taken? 66 minutes more or less? More. Including leakage means 3 pipes are working or 2 pipes? 3 pipes. Okay. Compared to together, including leakage, how much time are extra taken? 66 minutes are already together time 9 by 10 hours are plus how many minutes are extra? 66 minutes are extra. Okay. 9 by 10 hours. 9 by 10 means it is 54 minutes. 9 by 10 means 54 minutes. 54 plus 66. 120 minutes. How many hours? 2 hours. 9 plus 2. 11 hours are 9 by 10 hour converted to minutes. 9 by 10 into 60. 10 how many times? 6 times. 9 6 are 54. Means 9 hours 54 minutes plus 66 minutes. Total how many hours? 11 hours are without leakage. 9 by 10 hours. Including leakage 11 hours are. What is the question here? When the cistern is full, in what time the leakage can empty it? We required only leakage or only leakage. We know the 3 pipes together time and we know the 2 pipes together time. Subtracting we are get the only leakage. Subtracting means product by difference or product by sum? Product by difference. One is 11, another one 99 by 10. 11 into 99 by 10 by 11 minus 99 by 10. Numerator we return 11 into 99. Denominator 11 into 10. 110 minus 99. 11. Denominator 10, denominator 10 cancel. 11 cancel. What is the answer? 99 hours. 17th question. What is the total R value? 180. Total R value 180. Already one angle is given how much? 28. And here RST. It is a right angle triangle. Means here R value is how much? 90. 90 plus 28. 118. What is the remaining? 62. Means remaining R value is how many degrees? 62 degrees, sir. What is the total R value? 180. Already one is 28. This one are 90. 90 plus 28, 118. What is the remaining? 62. What is the question here? Angle PRS, sir. What is the answer? 62. Next question number 18. A sum of 26,390 was divided among PQR. If P received how much value? 1800 less, then the ratio of their shares would have been 1 by 28, 1 by 24, 1 by 21. What was the P share initially? Okay. Out of 26,391, P how many rupees are less? 1800 less. means out of 26,391 we are subtracting 1800. We are get the remaining amount or the remaining amount 91 263 minus 18 245 or 24,591. It is distributed 3 persons or but 3 persons are in which ratio? 1 by 28, 1 by 24 and 1 by 21. Inversely proportional of 28, 24, 21 or then if you required first term remaining 2 multiplier, then what is the first one? 24 into 21. Second one 28 into 21. Third one 24 into 28. All are in 7 multiples. Again all are in 2 multiples. Sorry, all are in 4 multiples. Okay. 7 multiples. 7 3s are 7 3s are 7 4s are. Next, all are in 4 multiples. 4 1s are 4 7s are 4 6 are. Any other cancellations? 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. How many times? 8 times. What is the ratio? 6:7:8 or total how many parts? 13 plus 8 21. 24,591 divided by how many parts? 21 parts. We are get the 1 part value 21. Again we required which one share? P share. Multiplied by how many times? 6 times. That 6 parts value is after subtracting 1800 or including 1800? After subtracting 1800. What is the question here? P share initially means we are get the P value. Again we are adding 1800 or first 21 by 6. 3 2 times. 3 how many times? 7. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 35. 35 means 5. 91 1 3 or 35 3513 into 2 7026 or again how much value we are adding? 1800. What is the total value? 8826 or which option? Third option. 7026 is including initial value or without initial value? Without initial value. 8826 including initial value. Next question number 19. హైదరాబాద్లో ఎప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందో కూడా తెలియట్లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 19. Speed of the boat against the stream is 9 km per hour. If the speed of the boat is decreased by 20% and the speed of the stream is increased by 50%, then the boat covers 189 kilometers along with the stream in how many hours? 9 hours. What is the original speed of the boat? First of all, speed of the boat against the stream is 9 km per hour. Against the stream means m plus s or m minus s? M minus s. M minus s equal to how much? 9. It is first one. Speed of the boat is decreased by how much? 20%. Means 80% of m or not? 80% of m. 80% of m means we return 0.8 m or not? Next, speed of the stream is increased by how much? 50%. Already speed of the stream, yes, increased by 50% means 1.5 yes sir. Okay, and then the boat covers 189 kilometers along with the stream in how many hours? 9 hours. These two are adding, we are get the along the stream speeder. Along the stream means downstream or upstream? Downstream. 189 by 9 equal to 21 or 0.8 m plus 1.5 s equal to how much value? 21. First one m minus s equal to 9. Second one 0.8 m plus 1.5 s equal to how much? 21. Simplify those two equations, we are get the s comma m values sir. Okay, in place of m I substitute directly n plus s sir, or in place of s we required which one? Speed of the boat, m value or s value? M value means all the values are converted to in terms of m. First one 0.8 m plus 1 end of s. What is the s value written? M minus 9 or m plus 9? M minus 9. That is equal to how much? 21. 0.8 m plus 1 end of m. 2.3 m. 1 end of minus 9. 1 end of minus 9. 13.5. Negative becomes positive. 21 plus 13.5. Total it is 34.5. Then m equal to how much? 345 by 23. Almost how many times? 15 times, sir. Question number 20. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is how much? 54. What is the difference between the sum and the difference of the digits if the digits are in the ratio of 1:4? Digits are in the ratio of 1:4. 14, 28. 1:4 means 1:4 or 2:8. 14 reverse 41. What is the difference between 14 and 41? 27. But here condition 54 means it is not possible. 28 reverse 82. What is the difference? 54. Condition satisfied? Yes, sir. Means one of the number 28. Interchanging the digits means we are getting 82. It will be either 28 are possible or 82 also possible. Then answer either 28 or 82. Find that number means answer is either 28 or 82. What is the condition here? What is the difference between the sum and the difference of the digits? Difference between the sum. What is the sum of the digits? Either 28 are taken or 82 are taken. What is the sum of the digits? 10. Again, difference of the digits. Either 28 or 82. What is the difference of the digits? 6. But here question is difference of the sum value and difference of the digits. Means we require difference between 10 and 6. What is the answer? 4. జాగ్రత్తగా వెళ్ళండి. బాయ్ అండి.